In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to get leads in just 5 minutes. Now, I know many of you are looking for ways to efficiently collect information from potential customers, whether it's for a newsletter, inquiries about your services, or just general feedback. And the great news is, Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool that's free to use and perfect for generating those all-important leads. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps support the channel and lets me know that you want more content like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Google Drive. Think of Google Drive as your digital hub for all things Google, where you can access Google Docs, Sheets, and of course, Forms. So when you've got Drive open, take a look at the upper left-hand side of your screen. You should see a big button that says New. Go ahead and click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options for creating new files. From that list, navigate to Google Forms and give it a click. Now, once you've clicked on Google Forms, you'll have a choice between using the pre-designed template or starting fresh with a blank form. For our purposes today, let's choose the blank form option. Starting with a blank slate allows you the freedom to tailor the form specifically to your needs without any distractions. Once your new form is open, it's time to make it truly your own. Up at the top, you'll see it says Untitled Form. Click on that and type in a name that reflects the lead generation intention of your form. Whether it's for a newsletter sign-up, a feedback form, or an inquiry submission, the name you choose is what your audience will see. So be sure it clearly conveys the purpose of the form. This helps to encourage participation. Next, we're diving into adding questions to your form. Simply click in the section marked Question and start typing your first question. This part is key because you want to gather the right information from your leads. You can customize the question type based on what you need. For instance, do you want a short answer, multiple choice, or maybe checkboxes? Think about what's important for your lead generation goals. You might want to ask for their names, email addresses, or specific queries related to your products or services. The clearer and more relevant your questions are, the better the responses you'll receive. Once you've got your questions completed, it's time to make some adjustments in the settings to really optimize how you're gathering this information. Look for the gear icon typically found in the upper right corner. That's your settings icon. Click on that and you'll find options to manage responses, limit form submissions, and so on. For lead generation purposes, it's crucial to enable email collection. This way, you can capture the email addresses of your respondents for follow-up. Now comes the exciting part, linking your form to Google Sheets. This integration is what makes the lead capture process so seamless. Head back to the Responses tab in your form and look for the little Sheets icon. When you click to link to Sheets, you'll be given the option to create a new spreadsheet or link to an existing one. This will be the place where all your captured emails and responses get organized neatly, making it much easier for you to manage your leads. And here's the magic. Every time someone fills out your form from that point on, their responses will automatically populate in your linked Google Sheet. This is perfect for tracking responses in real time, ensuring all the data you need is stored conveniently in one place, easy to access and analyze. And there you have it. Setting up Google Forms for lead generation made simple and efficient. This method not only collects valuable information, but also organizes it effectively in Google Sheets, giving you the tools you need to grow your business. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember to keep experimenting with your forms. Happy lead capturing.